Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your flash drive not showing up on your non-smart TVs, mostly older LED TVs. So in this video I'm going to show you how I fix the issue. You have to do this on a PC and you have to download an app called Rufus. I'm going to put the link in the description. Nothing much to do here, just follow my settings on the app and format the flash drive, then put it back to your TV. It should work perfectly fine. I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.